that one, you know how I go, and you know when I'm on, when you see me with Joe. Curry Southeast, not curry, no feast. I don't talk about the Eagles, that shit really sweet. When I'm in that car, I'm going for blocks, you go X4. I stay with my chop. Jim 5 just told me, let's sit on this house, and we gon' sit right here till he come out. Been in the city, you niggas is late when I go up on Waller, put switch to the gate.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, HemiBazz, back with another video. Now, today, as you can tell from the thumbnail and the title, I'm gonna just be vlogging today. Should be pretty fun. I'm linking up with some of the guys. We're gonna have a good time and all that. Like, comment, subscribe. We almost at 100 subscribers. We on the way. Let's keep going, man. Y'all doing great, showing love. As of right now, I'm currently camping out for the mailman. I got a package coming in, but I do gotta get gas before we go. So I'll take y'all with me for that as well. Like I said, man, stay to the end. I get to meet some of the guys. All right, y'all, we about to go fill up right quick. As you can tell, we're on 60 miles right now. So, let's see how much we finna spend in gas today. Let's see how much we about to spend on gas, man. Gas station right around the corner too, so ain't gotta go too far. Damn, it's kind of packed. It's kind of packed right now. Let me see if I can find me a spot. Man, guess right now how much I'm about to spend on gas, bro. Bro, no way, that's the mail. Yo, hold on. I'm sitting here waiting on my package. Come on, bro. I'm over here waiting for my package, bro, and they just cooling it at the gas station. All right, man, let's go get this gas right quick, though. Going with 89 today. All right, man, let's see. We at 50 right now. It's gonna stop for it. Yeah, 52. Try and get a little bit more in there. All right, man. Let's see how much we just got off of that. Let's see how much we just got off that. Waiting for it. 313? Sheesh, that's not bad. Man, I've been filling up and getting under 200 recently. I've been getting under 300 almost every time I filled up for the past like couple weeks. I have not gotten 300 in a minute, so that's actually pretty good. I think it's because I low-key been trying to get my miles per gallon up, so it give me more gas. But like, what we doing? All right, y'all. So we currently on the road right now, man. We finally got my package. I put my decals on. So I'll show y'all that when I actually get to where I'm going. But yeah, right now we on the road, so feel me? About to just vibe out for the next like hour or some change. And yeah, I will catch y'all boys when I touch down.
I got it looking like a girl football player. She got them confidence. I'm not in the studio, fuck her, I know you can stay up, girl, I be right back. Water by water park, I'm trying to drown in your water, girl, I need a life jacket. Bitch, I get happy when I count blue honey. Turned up, pockets full of dope boy money. I ain't give a fuck about nothing but getting paid. Wanna catch up with me on the interstate. Switching lane, catch a plane like a head coat. Double cup.
The bitch she looking, she like it too much like a bike, too hard, so they had you a bite. They tell us so just so they like them. It's Friday, and I missed all the sun like a pipe. I'm ratchet, but Mr. Rip out, not the nice. Advice with the heavy white out, I'm a type, but I tried it. These niggas know just like the idol. They put that boy on the vinyl, I'm trying to go play for the title. I'm go back and forth with my rival. The glove that be give me excited, I know that I'm smiling. They think that he got one up on me, nigga, the slice. I'm really trying not to be biased.
All right, man. So we just touched down where we supposed to be at. So right now I'm about to go pick up my boy. I'm about to go pick up my dog, and we probably gonna grab something to eat right quick. Still waiting on one more. He's about to get off in like an hour and a half. So they give us time to eat, chill, do whatever before, you feel me, we all go out. So yeah, we just gonna, you feel me? I'll get up with y'all when I pick him up. So yeah, I'll be right back. Yeah. So y'all see the decals now. What's good? Y'all see it right there. I just got the decals. That's what I was waiting on.
Oh damn, man, you got that.
So I got this, and I got the YouTube thing on the side. It's hard because when I drive, that should be, it be flapping up like this. Yeah, man, we probably gonna grab something to eat. You feel me? Good. Nah, I'm vlogging today, so I'm gonna vlog tonight.
Yeah, I got a
so
on my shit too.
Feel me? We gonna vlog tonight. We gonna grab something to eat. Cause what Eddie wanted to do, well, I don't know if he's gonna drink that. He ain't gonna do it. Fuck that. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna catch up with y'all in about an hour. So we're gonna scoop him right quick, and then once we get there, I'll go back to this shit.
I got niggas getting out the back, so I need my lemonade and racks. I'm for real. And that basket hot as shit, that's why them niggas turned out as good. I just know not to take that plate, nigga, I might never not sign no deal. They take your favorite rapper, embarrass something, they had them niggas on pills. I'm not no junkie though. All on my face, my hair on waist, that shit on cut, got me feeling this face. Stay out the way, respect it okay. They truck you on phone with alien bait. I tell don't trip by that bitch, cause she stay out on Pluto. I gon' find a way for your love, I'm on Mars on the sun or wherever that you go. Show for that laundry, when you be in my space, only time I got peace, I'm closing you like be silent. When you be in my space, only time on the thought disappear and won't be quiet. When you're niggas be based, they ain't no shit, drugs can't say shit, cause they don't know nothing. That's that thing, just keep on running, don't get no shit, I'ma keep on dumb. Have we hit that blunt, make nigga full up like a lunch, I thought this shit's too drunk. Need everything, no scraping the side, I'm treating arms, niggas ain't on the crumb. Brr, bomb, rock is fine, body.
All right, man, what's good, y'all? We at our little spot right now, as you can see. Got my dog in the whip. But right now, so we linked up with my boy Eddie. He ain't getting off at the time we thought he was. So right now, we just cooling it. We probably about to just see what's popping around here, and we're gonna wait for him to pull up. So we're gonna wait for him to pull up and see what's going on. We're just gonna see what the vibe is looking right now. So while we out here in the parking garage right now, I'm about to probably just take some videos, make some content, you feel me, while we out here. And yeah, man, so.
I'm in the game, I'm in the mind, brother.
Man, as y'all can see, man, look, we outside today. We outside today. So we got some people down here. There's people around there. I might actually hit that parking garage right there. That might be a good spot. Look, we got Top Golf all the way down here. Gun range and all that. And you just got me right here. And you see the decals on this? Rip this nigga out the dough. Nigga ain't even say nothing. Man, I've been getting so many compliments on the Halloween decorations already, bro. Y'all don't understand. Like, on the road, when I'm parked, getting out, it don't matter. Everybody always asking. Good, though. It feel good. Yeah, man, we out here. I need somebody too. That way you're working. Say what? Bar Louis? I think it's to the right, like down here.
Yo, I just found something. I didn't know.
Yeah, man. So we out here. You feel me? We about to see what the vibes looking like right now. Boy, flat. Yeah. Everybody flat. So we about to see what's popping out here for real. And hopefully my phone don't die. Hopefully the phone don't die so I can show y'all. Yeah, we got a little crowd outside. Everybody's probably inside for real, so we just gotta figure out where everybody going. So yeah. Damn.
I got the fresh shit outside. Look at the green pig.
I got the lamb chop out this joint.
Lamb chops, you know what I'm saying?
Sheesh.
Hey, on GTA, this is called an Osiris. This is
They got the GTA Osiris.
McLaren.
Oh, the McLaren. That bitch hard, I ain't gonna lie.
The McLaren.
That bitch hard. These joints both hard. This yours, Brody?
No, it's his.
Oh, okay. I ain't gonna lie, this joint is sexy though. This joint definitely, I know it got a rap on it too. I can tell. Damn, that joint looks sweet. We outside with the lamb chop. Bro, take pictures, whatever. I gotta get this. This bitch sound good. Hold up. Man, what? Hey, this bitch sound crazy. Hey man, so we back and we got Eddie in this jump. Finally linked up with Eddie, you feel me? So we outside now. We finna, feel me? We about to see what's popping out here, and we got two spots after this. So you feel me? We got moves on deck. So I'm gonna bring y'all with me. I got my phone charged finally, so I can actually record. We got Marble in the cut. What's good?
For the one time and the one time only.
For the one time only, you feel me? So Stay tuned.
It's a nice little lineup right here.
Nah, facts. Nice little lineup, you feel me? We got the, hold up. We got the Chally right here. We got the Charger right here. We got the Lamb Chop. And we got the McLaren right there. So, y'all stay tuned, man. Drop a like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that, man. And I'm gonna catch up with y'all. Then we go to the vlog right quick. Good. Good. Wait. Dang. They probably be down there, I ain't gonna lie. You over there eating this food. Alright, man, we just popped out. We leaving the joint right now. We about to pop out to the next spot. You hear me? We got Marble Baggies revived. Finally,
Hey, listen,
the nigga revived.
I needed a meal or two, you know what I'm saying? Needed rejuvenated.
He needed some eats, you feel me?
He back alive.
He got his fuel. He got his fuel, so now he back in action. And so, with that being said,
Let me drive the boat.
let me drive the boat.
With that being said, let me drive the boat.
Yes, sir. I f***ed Jonah. What did he do? Oh,
You got a little too excited.
it was this right here. Damn. I know, that joint's like falling off. I'm about to tape this shit up because this is why you get mods, because if this was the bumper, I'd be fucked.
What not to do.
It's brand new now.
He said, ain't nobody had this before.
Where'd the tape go? So, what had happened was, I pulled up to the spot, hit the jump fast as shit, and I fucked up my car. Hey man, so look, she split the pole, y'all, so I gotta end the video right now.
Que si me gusta, jálame el pelo, papi, soy tu puta. Ponme la pose antes que me cuta. Méteme presa, yo soy tu corrupta. Toma, 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 toma.
Southeast, not curry, no fees. I don't talk about the Eagles, that shit really sweet. When I'm in that car, I'm going for blocks, you go X4. I stay on my chop. J5 just told me, let's sit on this house and we gon' sit right here.